Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Rice University researchers have created a defective catalyst that simplifies the generation of hydrogen peroxide from oxygen. Rice scientists treated metal-free carbon black, the inexpensive, powdered product of petroleum production, with oxygen plasma. The process introduces defects and oxygen-containing groups into the structure of the carbon particles, exposing more surface area for interactions. When used as a catalyst, the defective particles known as Cb plasma reduce oxygen to hydrogen peroxide with 100% Faradaic efficiency, a measure of charge transfer in electrochemical reactions. The process shows promise to replace the complex anthraquinone-based production method that requires expensive catalysts and generates toxic organic byproducts and large amounts of wastewater, according to the researchers. The research by Rice chemist James Tour and materials theorist Boris Jakobson appears in the American Chemical Society journal Axe Catalysis. Hydrogen peroxide is widely used as a disinfectant, as well as in wastewater treatment, in the paper and pulp industries and for chemical oxidation. Tour expects the new process will influence the design of hydrogen peroxide catalysts going forward. The electrochemical process outlined here needs no metal catalysts, and this will lower the cost and make the entire process far simpler, Tour said. Proper engineering of carbon structure could provide suitable active sites that reduce oxygen molecules while maintaining the O-O bond, so that hydrogen peroxide is the only product. Besides that, the metal-free design helps prevent the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Plasma processing creates defects in carbon black particles that appear as 5 or 7 member rings in the material's atomic lattice. The process sometimes removes enough atoms to create vacancies in the lattice. The catalyst works by pulling 2 electrons from oxygen, allowing it to combine with 2 hydrogen electrons to create hydrogen peroxide. Reducing oxygen by 4 electrons, a process used in fuel cells, produces water as a byproduct. The selectivity towards peroxide rather than water originates not from carbon black per se but, as co-lead author and Rice graduate student Chin Kun Lee calculations show, from the specific defects created by plasma processing, Jakobson said. These catalytic defect sites favor the bonding of key intermediates for peroxide formation, lowering the reaction barrier and accelerating the desirable outcome. Tour's lab also treated carbon black with ultraviolet ozone and treated Cb plasma after oxygen reduction with argon to remove most of T. Cb-UV was no better at catalysis than plain carbon black, but Cb argon performed just as well as Cb plasma with an even wider range of electrochemical potential, the lab reported. Because the exposure of Cb plasma to argon under high temperature removed most of the oxygen groups, the lab inferred the carbon defects themselves were responsible for the catalytic reduction to hydrogen peroxide. The simplicity of the process could allow more local generation of the valuable chemical, reducing the need to transport it from centralized plants. Tour noted Cb plasma matches the efficiency of state-of-the-art materials now used to generate hydrogen peroxide. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.